You're bidding on a Hubless truck adapter set, 5-piece set. This is Ammco drum lathe. This one is a 29,578. It's been sitting in a factory shop, unused or just about unused. If you look, there's a small flea bite right here on the 29,578. This will clean up with steel wool or whatever you want to use. Here's the reverse side. It's got some oxidation here. It'll clean up. Surface is good. This is a 29,576. There's no flea bites on this one. Again, it has some oxidation from sitting. This was like, these were sitting like on a cardboard box, which might have got a little bit wet, but they were sitting for quite a while. This one, 29,577. Looks pretty good. I don't feel any flea bites. Again, you can see the oxidation. Rim is good. There's a little, I don't know if you want to call that. It's nothing. Nothing major here other than steel wool or navel jelly or rust remover. They'll all do the same. There's chemicals out. 29,575. Nice rim. No flea bites. 29,572. Edges are good. Edges are good. This is what it is. It's what you're bidding on. This is about $1,600 or $1,800 worth of Ammco adapters. Low price. They won't last long. Good luck bidding.